Both Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop are used to create as well as edit images. When starting a design project, it can be difficult trying to find the right program to work with. I am going to go over some similarities and differences between the two programs in hopes of helping you choose the right program to use for your project. Photoshop is a raster-based photo editing software that uses pixels to create images. It was first designed to help photographers edit pictures, but it is now also used to create images for print, develop web page designs, and even creating video graphics. A major con of Photoshop is that because it is pixel-based, the images cannot be scaled up or down without losing quality. This deters designers from using the program to create images that will need to be scalable in the future. Unlike Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator is used predominantly for creating images, rather than editing them. Illustrator is a vector-based program that uses points rather than pixels. Because points are used, the program is able to generate perfectly smooth lines. In addition, and unlike Photoshop, the fact that the art is vector-based allows the work to be scaled up or down without losing any quality. Designers use Illustrator to create logos, graphics, and even fonts. It is preferred to use Illustrator for these projects because the work may need to be displayed or printed at different sizes. Because of the way the program is set up, it is also important to note that Illustrator is not ideal for multi-page documents. It can be hard trying to choose between which of the two programs to use. In simplest terms, Photoshop is predominantly used to edit images that will not need to be resized. On the other hand, Illustrator is used to create graphics that would need to be scaled to different sizes in the future.